Hi, I'm Tom with the FCB Launch channel, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create niche in a wall in FreeCAD BIM. So this is the result what I will show you, and I want to create a niche which is 250 millimeters from the corner. It is 400 millimeters wide, 500 millimeters high, and this is the dimension from the floor. So let me actually delete this existing niche and hide dimensions. And I will show you two different techniques of creating the niche. The first one is by using the window tool, and the second one is by creating a shape and removing it from the wall volume. So let's start with the first method of creating the window. And before I start, I will actually hide the slab object so that I can snap to this corner point. So now I will fire up the window tool, and here I've got some settings. And first off, I want to edit the preset, and I want to use just the opening only. This will be creating only opening. And now I want to set the width, which will be 400 millimeters, and the height, which is 500 millimeters. So this is okay. And then we have got also this sill height setting, and I will set that to 1100 millimeters, which is the dimension that I wanted to have. Now I will hover my mouse here over the wall, and I have my snapping turned on and snapping to the endpoint. So I will click to this corner, and when I click, the opening is created, but it's placed in a wrong place. So I will just move it 250 millimeters to the left. So I will actually, I cannot select the opening by clicking here, so I have to select it here. I will use the move tool, and here I will click anywhere here, hold shift, and move it 250 millimeters in this direction. So the niche is moved, it's located in the correct place, but you can see that I can see through the niche because the opening is set up to cut through the wall. But in the data properties of the opening, I have this property which is the hole depth. And when the depth is set to 0, it's cutting through the wall. But if I change the depth to 150 and hit enter, you can see that the opening will be only 150 millimeters deep. So now I have got my nice niche here. So this is how you create niche using the window tool. This is really nice and handy. The other option is actually more flexible. I can create any niche shape with the window tool. The niche shape can be only rectangular. So I will delete this niche, and I will start a new one, and I will create either sketch or draft object on this face, which will have the niche, basic niche profile. So because the niche is so simple, it's just a rectangle, so I will use the draft tools. So first I will place a working plane on this face. So I will select this face and click this button, and this sets up the working plane on this face that was selected before I hit this button. So now the working plane is custom, and now I'm working in this plane, and I can fire up the rectangle tool. I will click again here in this corner. I'm using the snap tool. So I will click here, and now I move my mouse here, and I will type in the dimensions of the niche. So the X is the width, so that's 400. I will hit enter. The Y is 500, that's the height, and Z is 0, and hit enter. And this created the rectangle. And now I have to move it again, and I'm working in this custom work plane. So now if I start the move tool, I can click any point basically. So I will select this one, and I will now set the translation. So in the x-axis it's the local, that will be 250, and in the y-axis it will be 1100. Hit enter and enter again, and now it's placed in the correct place. But now we have got only this planar object. This is a plane, and we want to create a solid from it. So I will select the rectangle and use this tool, extrude. So I will fire it up, and it creates the extrusion based on the rectangle. So along will be, and this one will be the depth of the niche. So I will type in 150 and hit apply. And you can see that, I will hit close, you can see that it was created in the wrong direction. So I will select the extrusion, and now in the properties I will check reversed, and this creates the extrusion in the opposite direction, so it's extruded into the wall. And now what I can do is first select the extrusion, the order is important, then with Control select the walls. So I've got first the extrusion, then the wall. Now I will use this arch remove tool, which removes the extrusion from the wall. And you can see also in the project tree, the extrusion is moved as a child of the wall, and it creates this niche. And I've got still option. If I want to change the size of the niche, I would actually have to change the size of the rectangle. If I change the depth of the extrusion, maybe let's say to 50, you can see that I can parametrically now change the niche properties. So these are the two methods of creating wall niche in FreeCAD BIM. I prefer the first option because it's a bit faster to create it using the window tool, but using the extrusion you have got much more freedom of what the shape of the niche will be. So you can maybe create a rounded niche or niche with an arc, etc. If you like tutorials like this one, consider supporting the FCB Lounge channel by donating through the Ko-Fi page. The link is in the description box below. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.